The Spanish-American War, 1898, began on April 25, 1898, when the United States declared war against Spain on behalf of Spain colony Cuba. Cubans had been agitating for freedom from Spanish rule for several decades. Theodore Roosevelt. The Battle of El Caney, July 1, 1898, Spanish-Cuban-American War. A group of U.S. soldiers during the Spanish-American War, including, second from left, John W. Schenck, later a justice on the California Supreme Court. The others are unidentified. William Thomas Sampson. In 1898, when the Spanish-American War broke out, with the rank of Rear Admiral, he commanded an American fleet of 9 warships. 1898 Spanish-American War, warships, San Francisco Bay. Theodore Roosevelt, who would become vice president and eventually president, was commander of the Rough Riders who helped win the famous Battle of San Juan Heights. Spanish-American War veterans. In France, on December 10, 1898, representatives from the United States and Spain signed the Treaty of Paris. The treaty officially ended the war between the U.S. and Spain, giving the United States its first overseas acquisition of territories.